Welcome to the Resource Collective, your one-stop site for acquiring the materials you need to serve your community. If you have any questions, please refer to resourcecollective.org. To access the community platform, you will first need to be registered as a partner organization. To apply to become a partner organization, please visit resourcecollective.org. There, you will find a frequently asked questions or FAQ tab where you will find information about becoming a partner organization. If you are a registered partner organization, you must first log in to access the community platform. Your username is your email address. If you don't remember your password, don't worry. Just click Forgot Password to reset it. Once you are logged in, you will see your dashboard. Your dashboard is your home base. Here, you'll find open orders, wish list matches, completed orders, your remaining pallets, your membership tier, and notifications. We recommend checking this page every day to stay informed about available resources and updates to your account. In the top right corner, you'll see the notification bell. This is where you'll receive updates about wishlist matches, order status changes, tier approvals, and additional pallet approvals. Be sure to review your notifications regularly and mark them as read once you've seen them. To add users to your profile, contact Stardust. In the future, this feature will be able to be found on the partner's profile page. Before placing your first order, take a few minutes to review your settings. Here, you can change your password, view your membership tier, request a tier renewal if needed, monitor your pallet usage, request additional pallets, and update your notification preferences. Analytics functionality will be introduced in Phase 2 of the project. You can also add a mobile phone number to receive text message notifications. These notifications can alert you about order updates and wish list matches so you never miss an opportunity to acquire resources your organization needs. Now, let's look at place orders. This is where you'll browse and acquire resources for your organization. At the top, you'll find a powerful search bar. Simply type what you're looking for. For example, if you need shoes, enter shoes, and the system will search across categories, descriptions, and inventory records to find matching items. You can also use filters to narrow your results by category, warehouse location, and quantity. These filters make it easier to find exactly what you need. You'll notice several inventory tabs. All is every available resource. Early access contains inventory available to organizations whose membership includes early access benefits. Regular contains resources available to all partners, and free contains resources that do not count against your pallet balance when acquired. When you find a resource you'd like to acquire, click Add to Cart. If multiple pallets are available, you can increase the quantity before adding it to your cart. Notice that your pallet balance updates immediately when items are added to your cart. These pallets are reserved while your cart remains active. One of the most powerful features of the Resource Collective is the wish list. Wish lists help us understand what your organization needs and notifies you when matching inventory becomes available. To create a wish list item, choose a category, choose a subcategory, enter the quantity needed, and assign a priority level of low, medium, or high. You can also add notes to provide additional details about your organization's needs. As a reminder, you'll only be notified of new inventory that matches your wish list. Be sure to leave notifications enabled so you'll be alerted when a matching resource becomes available. Once saved, the system continuously monitors inventory for matches. When a match is found, you'll receive a notification and can add the resource directly to your cart from the wish list screen. No additional searching required. Once you add resources to your cart, a 20-minute timer begins. During this time, the resources are reserved exclusively for you. If the timer expires before you complete your order, those items return to inventory and become available to other partner organizations. When you're ready, select Continue to Scheduling. Each warehouse provides available pickup dates and time slots. Please note that same-day pickups are not available. Pickup appointments must be scheduled at least one day in advance. If needed, you can add notes to your order. For example, you may want to indicate that another staff member or driver will be picking up the resources on your behalf. When everything looks correct, click Place Order. You'll immediately receive an order confirmation and order number. If email notifications are enabled, a copy of your order details will also be sent to your email. You can always view your orders from the dashboard or from the My Orders section. Here, you'll see order number, pickup location, pickup date and time, and order status. If someone else is picking up the order, simply download the PDF confirmation and send it to them. They can present it at pickup to verify the order. If your order contains resources from multiple warehouse locations, the system automatically separates them into individual pickups. This makes it easy to understand where and when each resource should be collected. To get the most value from the Resource Collective, check your notifications regularly, check your dashboard daily, keep your wish list updated, monitor your pallet balance, request additional pallets before you run out, watch for wish list matches, and new resource availability. Our goal is to help you get the right resources to the communities you serve. Thank you for being a partner of the Resource Collective. We look forward to helping you make an even greater impact. If you need additional help, please reference resourcecollective.org for more information.